Hi there! Hey, look up here on the ceiling! It's me, Beep!
You might not notice that he's around, 'cause he's way up on the ceiling looking down. But we'll know he's there when we hear his sound. He's Beep, the smoke alarm.
Beep!
Who's making that sound?
Beep!
What does he say?
Beep!
What does that mean?
Beep means you should leave right away.
If there's smoke in the house for Beep to smell, his batteries will need to be working well. If it's not safe, he'll let us know. He'll tell us with a beep, it's time to go.
Beep!
Who's making that sound?
Beep!
What does he say?
Beep!
What does that mean?
Beep means you should leave right away.
Day or night, he never sleeps. He's always ready to sound his beep. Whenever there's smoke, he'll be there to sniff the air.
Beep!
Who's making that sound?
Beep!
What does he say?
Beep!
What does that mean?
Beep means you should leave right away. Beep!
Who's making that sound?
Beep!
What does he say?
Beep!
What does that mean?
Beep means you should leave right away.